Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can make a reset of this device. So at first you have to find your USB-C charging port. It's right here. You have to grab your cable, USB-C cable, and plug it to the charging port. Take a look on the indicator. It's on the red color, so everything is fine. Right now we have to click and hold custom button and power button at the same time for a few seconds until it's turn off and turn on back. I'm talking about indicator. So let's make it. As you can see, turn off, and when it's turn on back, you have to release the keys, and that's how we can perform the soft reset of these headphones. Of course, you have to make it while charging. It's the most important thing, because without that, you cannot perform the soft reset. So I hope that it fixed the problem that you have with the headphones. If it doesn't, just watch our second video when we make the factory reset of this device. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.